Why use the HSS platform? Every day at HSS, we are advancing the standards for warning solutions, making them better, stronger and more intuitive. Our digital solutions have had a great impact in achieving the essential purpose of all warning systems: saving lives. We believe every warning solution should be ready to alert, inform and direct at any time, so that you're able to protect the lives in your care in the best possible way. So we asked ourselves, what if all our customers could benefit from our ongoing developments, making their systems better and better every day? That's why we have developed the HSS platform. Once you have our warning solution installed, or simply updated on your existing systems, your warning solution will never be outdated again. No more big investments. You will have all the benefits as a basic service. When we upgrade our digital systems, you have instant access. When your siren needs spare parts, no worries, you have it. What if you could always trust your hardware and detecting failures would be attended to in a timely manner? And what if your service managers were all up to date as well, always dressed up perfectly for the task? With the HSS platform, your warning solution is never outdated. Would you like to learn more? Enter HSS Engineering.